Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm having a little problem with my door. It is not closing all the way. My wife came home from a store and she said my son touched something inside of the door and now the door does not shut. It took me a minute to figure it out, but now that I got it, I want to share this with anybody else that is going through the same thing. So usually all it takes is just a screwdriver and you can snap this thing right back out into the open position. But in my case, it was not going that way at all. And usually when that happens, all you gotta do is pull on the door handle and then try again. But even this, nothing was happening. That's when I figured out that my doors were actually locked. If this latch is not freely moving for you, do not force it. What you should try doing is to lock the doors and unlock the doors, and that should solve the problem. So if I try doing that, I'm gonna lock the doors, unlock the doors. I should be able to swing it right open. And I can't. That just means that now I have to try pulling the handle again and then swing it open. There it goes. Perfect. And if you don't have a screwdriver on you, it's okay. You could use some scissors, a stick, or even a pen should work. So I hope this video helps somebody out. If you have any other tips or stories about doors that you would like to share, I would love to see you in the comments below. But before you go, can you guess why it always gets dark when my neighbor drives by? That's because he drives an Eclipse.